Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy glueless install, 100% glueless. There is no cap in my wrap. This wig unit is actually from OhMyPretty hair. They went ahead and sent me their 26-inch wear and go pre-bleached, pre-cut lace and pre-parted wear and go wig unit in water wave, and it is in 26 inches. So she is super long and she has definitely retained the length of 26 inches. I love the water wave pattern, it's gorgeous, and this wig literally just came ready to wear. All I had to do was just do my edges, flatten the top, and we were good to go. So in under 15 minutes I got the job done. I love this texture, it's super nice and soft. The hair is great. I did not get that much shedding. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shed hairs out the brush so you can see. So this is the amount of shedding I get, and I wrap it up because when I put it next to the hair, it's next to nothing. And even if I were to like try to take it out, remember this hair is freshly out of the pack, next to nothing. It's like not even if I separated the curl. It's like if you were to cut that much hair out, that's how much hair shedded. Naturally this hair is gonna keep that density that it has because it doesn't shed too much at all. So if that's what you're worried about, worry no more. Don't forget to go ahead and check the link in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from OhMyPretty hair. And if you'd like to see how I did my install and how I defined my curls, just keep on watching.
happy, and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation, these kind of things they deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation, go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, take back your take back, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, and see my sun burn with these same eyes. To see my sun smile bright in every gray sky. He's going so fast, that's why every day I give it 100. Now I'm 90, praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty.
So as you guys can see, this is the end results, and I'm living for the diffuser method, the method that I've been using. And honestly, I feel like at one point in time I'm definitely going to show you guys how I do this in some sort of e-course. I come and I diffuse and detangle and all of that. The hair just comes together really well, and a lot of people ask me how I do it, but I'll definitely make an in-depth e-course real soon on my digital platform. But this gorgeous wig unit is from OhMyPretty hair. They went ahead and sent me this Bleach Knots Glueless Water Wave Wear and Go wig unit. It is their lace closure unit in a 6x4 closure, so it's 6 inches right here of a parting allowance and 4 inches to the back, so I could do a side part if I'd like. This wig unit also came with pre-plucked edges, so when it comes on to installing this wig unit, it's almost as though it came already done. All I had to do was just flatten the top, you know, get it to fit snug to my head with a band inside the adjustable strap, and that's really what allows the hair to be glueless. I love the curl pattern and texture, and a lot of people don't achieve this because they don't do it right. They don't do the hair any justice. They just brush it through with a brush just to, you know, define the curls with water, and that's it. But it takes so much to define curls, and I love this hair. It's super gorgeous, super nice and soft, and it smells amazing too because of the products I use. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, it's actually under $250, and you can get a whole bunch of coupon codes on their website. They give discounts all the time, and there will be codes in my description box as well, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. I cannot stop saying I love this hair. It really is a dream. So if you'd like to purchase, definitely don't forget to check out the description box. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.